Hey, what's up everyone, this is Lefty Crafty and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be doing unboxing and review of the Dimmable LED floor lamp. So please stay tuned. Introducing the Dimmable LED floor lamp by Yikining. This item comes with a stable and safe base, with 4 sturdy metal pole and light panel. It also comes with a remote control, adapter, and a user manual. It's easy to assemble and ready to plug in, with touch control buttons for power, color temperature, and brightness. You can attach the remote control with magnet on the metal pole. The light panel can be adjusted at 180 degrees up and down and 350 degrees rotation adjustable angle. Now we are ready for the light show. I am impressed with these LED floor lamps. Personally, I prefer Torchiere lightings than the standard floor lamps. It can light up any room with a nice, clean, and even light. I can choose the color temperature, the brightness, and the angle. It has convenient controls on the pole, plus the remote control with a magnet. This is by far the best floor lamp I've ever had, and I'm giving this a 5-star rating. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.